Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use background sounds in iOS or iPadOS 15. Now background sounds are a great way to play ambient noise to help you concentrate while you use your devices. So if you take a look at my table, I actually have a background sound in real life, which is this fountain. Since I really like the sound of water, and because I live next to the road, there's a lot of road noise. So this helps me concentrate. So first, go to the Settings app, then tap on Accessibility, scroll down, tap on Audio and Visual, then Background Sounds. Turn it on. You can hear it automatically plays. You can turn it off. So sound, you can choose the sound, the volume, and volume with media. So while you're playing music, you can adjust the volume of the background sound. Now if you go to Control Center, you can also place it here. So this is called hearing, and if you take a look at the included controls, you should find it here. Now that means it's in your control center. If it's not here, it will be over here in the more controls. So from the more controls, you can just press the plus button to add it to the control center. And from the control center, I can just swipe like this, tap on it, and now I have my background sounds. I can change it. And turn it off. Now this is really useful if you're using noise cancelling headphones or earphones, or even just regular earphones or your speaker, since it will easily help you concentrate. Now hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more, and help support my channel. So, thanks for watching.